You're welcome. Let's solve for the value of x. Yes, first of all, I want us to recall the law of exponents or indices that states that a to the power of m minus n, okay, is equal to a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. Okay, so we are going to express this side in this form. Therefore, we will write 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of what? 2 is equal to 15. Alright, so this is same thing as 15 divided by 1. Now, let's cross multiply. When we do that, we are going to have 4x times 1 will still give us 4 to the power of x, sorry, not 4x, is equal to 15 multiplied by 4 squared, right? Multiplied by 4 squared. Now, let's introduce log to both sides of the equation. At the end of this particular solution, we are going to substitute what we got into this particular equation to prove that it is right. So I would like you to wait and enjoy that part of the video because that's the most interesting aspect of the video for me. All right, so we are going to introduce log to both sides. Log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 15 multiplied by 4 squared. Okay, all right, now when you have log a raised to the power of b, this is same thing as this will come down to multiply log a. All right, okay, so that simply means that we can bring this down to multiply log 4, right? So we have x multiplied by log 4 is equal to log 15 multiplied by 4 squared. Now look at what we have here. We need the value of x, right? So let's divide through by log 4. So we now have divided by log 4 divided by log 4. So log 4 is going to cancel log 4, and we have that x is equal to log 15 multiplied by 4 squared, all right, divided by log 4. All right, I want us to recall the law of logarithm that states that log AB, that is log A multiplied by B, is the same thing as log A plus log B. Okay, two of them are the same. Therefore, we can now solve this as what? X is equal to log 15 plus log 4 squared, okay, everything divided by log 4. All right, now let us solve. So our x is equal to log 15 divided by log 4 plus log 4 squared divided by log 4. Okay, so when you look at this, we can write this as x is equal to, now log 15, okay, divided by log 4 plus this 2 is going to come down, okay, and when that happens, we are going to have 2 log 4 divided by log 4. Now log 4 will cancel log 4, so we have that x is equal to log 15 divided by log 4 plus 2. Okay, now x is equal to, recall that we are trying to get the simplest form of this x so that we can substitute it into the equation and get the answer. All right, log 15 can be written as log 3 times 5, okay, divided by log 4 plus 2. That means that we can write x to be equal to log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 4 plus 2, right? Yes. Now, let's continue. Permit me to clean this side of the board. Yeah, now we have that x is equal to log 3 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4 plus 2. All right, so x is equal to log 3 divided by 4 is same thing as 2 squared, right? So we have 2 squared plus log 5 divided by log 2 squared as well. Okay, then plus 4 plus 2, sorry, this particular 2. So we have x is equal to log 3 divided by 2 log 2, right? Because this can come down to give us 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2 as well plus 2. All right, so we can write that x is equal to this same thing as 1 over 2 log 3 divided by log 2, right? Plus 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 2. I don't know if you can still see here, but I think so. Yeah. Then plus 2. Now, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, please click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Thank you so much. So this is what we have now. That means we can write that x is equal to, but before that, I want us to note that when you have log a divided by log b, okay, this is equal to log a base b. Yes, so I'm going to simplify this further right now. So we can now write that x is equal to half log, so this becomes 3 base 2, okay, log 3 base 2 plus this is half log 5 base 2, right? Half log 5 base 2 plus 2. So this becomes the simplest form of our x. Now, let's get to the most interesting aspect of this video, which is what? Let's substitute what we got here to get 15. I know you're curious about that. I am curious as well. Let's see how this goes. Okay, now let's do that. So we have that 4 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 15. Now let me rewrite what we got as our x. We got x to be equal to half log 3 base 2 plus half log 5 base 2 plus 2. So this is what we got as our x. Now permit me to turn this way. Yes, because I feel more comfortable this way. Now I can clean this side, right? Okay, now let's substitute. So we have 4 to the power of half log 3 base 2 plus half log 5 base 2 plus 2. So all these are the values of our x, which is this. Then minus 2 is equal to 15. Now plus 2 minus 2 is 0. That one is no longer there. So we have 4 to the power of half log 3 base 2 plus half log 5 base 2 is equal to 15. Now when you look at this, notice that they have half and half in common, right? So we can bring it out. So we have 4 to the power of half bracket log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 is equal to 15. Now 4 can be written as 2 squared. I'm trying to simplify this. So 4 can be written as 2 squared. So we have 2 to the power of 2, okay, raised to the power of half bracket log, this is log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 is equal to 15. Now this will divide this, right? So we have 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 is equal to 15. Okay, so this is what we have now. Recall that when you have a raised to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, right? Yeah, so that means that we can now rewrite this as, permit me to clean from here. Okay, so this is what we have. That means we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 is equal to 15. All right. Now, when you have a to the power of log a b, okay, so once this base and this base that they are the same, once they are the same, this is equal to b. That is logarithmic law. So that means that we can write this as the whole of this. Since we have 2 here and here, this is equal to 3 multiplied by the same thing. We have 2 here and here, so this is 5 is equal to 15. Now 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 is equal to 15. Thanks so much for watching.